Hi, I'm the Lady Spa with MortonsFoot.com and Posture Dynamics, and I'd like to share with you some tips on how to use the stick-on version of our ProKinetics insole. They work exactly like our full-length insoles, but they're a little bit squishy, and they're a compromise between the 3.5 and the 6 millimeter strength, so everybody can wear them. For women above size 10 and for men, choose the large. Most women will do just fine in the medium. This is the large on my 8.5 size foot, and it's not supposed to extend underneath the second metatarsal head, so this is too big for me. I wear the medium. So this is the way it's supposed to look. Even though you may have symptoms more on one side than the other, we still teach you to wear them symmetrically on both sides. As with other patches, the skin should be very dry and free of lotion, conditioner, or oils that will contaminate the adhesive. First thing you do is wipe your skin with an alcohol swab. And then make sure it's very dry. If applying to the feet, this little notch designates it's for the right foot. The left one does not have a notch. The thickest part is always toward the midline of your body. To get the backing off, just flick it with your fingernail. Very sticky. Hold it on the edges, and I tip my toe up, and I want to make sure I'm on the ball of the foot. That's what I'm looking at, to make sure that I'm covering the ball of the foot. I'm looking from above to make sure I don't see it from above, and I stick the middle first, and then the ball of the foot, and then the toe. And I cup my hand over it and hold it tight, just to let the warmth of my hand warm up the adhesive. So it helps to stand up on it and let the weight of your body help set the adhesive. It's okay to angle it a little bit, especially if you have a bunion, and if your toe pushes towards your little toes, it's okay to angle it. This is the working part of it. This is the most important part. We just have the toe portion to extend the amount of glue surface so it sticks better. Multiple applications, taking them on and off, depend on your skin chemistry and how much your feet perspire. Here in Washington State, I can get 2 to 3 days wear, but if you sweat quite a bit, put them in your sandal instead of trying to wear them on your feet. Some people just let them wear off. They sleep in them, cat bath around them in the morning, but don't expect them to stay on through a shower or if you go swimming. As an alternative, if you don't feel like wearing it on your foot, this works pretty well. You can stick it on a snug-fitting sock. The adhesive stays on the cotton material through the washing and drying. The MicroLift may come off, but the glue will still be there, so you'll need to just save this one pair of socks for reapplying another pad on the bottom of it. So when it's placed correctly on the foot, you can barely see it from looking down. And if you decide you want to stick these in your sandal instead of on your foot, just put a piece of tape right where it ends, right like that, so you know where to start sticking it down. Depending on what material is used in the sandal or flip-flop, if your foot is allowed to move back and forth a lot, you may find that the toe portion starts to curl up a little bit. If that happens, just trim it off. As an alternative to wearing the MicroLift on your foot, here's another suggestion, especially for a tight-fitting boot, a tall boot or an ankle boot. Use an air pillow. It's just a thin piece of foam, trimmed to fit. You can buy them at any drugstore. And just put the MicroLift on there and then just use it as a carrier and slide it down into the bottom of the shoe. If you have any other questions, please feel welcome to call us Monday through Friday, 8 to 5 Pacific Time. Thanks for watching.